Hello friends, the first thing we're going to cover is something that I go over in my first book, Bubbles with Your Nose. It's basically learning how to breathe in the water, and so you can do this in the bathtub. I'm actually going to demonstrate it with just a bowl, and I've got a clear bowl today, so you'll be able to see my bubbles as I blow them. And I'm sitting outside because it's a nice day out, but you can do this inside. You can do this, like I said, in the bathtub. But out here, I just wanted to be able to show you what it looks like when I first attempt it and how you progress as you learn this. So I'm just going to take a deep breath of air in through my mouth. I'm going to put my face in the water, and right when my nose hits the bowl is when I'm going to start to hum. Now on that first one, I didn't put my eyes, I just put my nose and my mouth under so I could get comfortable with the idea of humming with my face down. This time I'm gonna go ahead and put my entire face under. I'm gonna hold this bowl up a little bit more so you can see the bubbles, and I'm gonna repeat that a few times so that I get used to the breathing pattern. Remember, this breathing pattern is what I call circle breathing. You breathe in through your mouth and then you hum the air out of your nose. So it goes like this. Got my towel close so I can wipe my face off, and basically you're just going to repeat that until you get comfortable with that skill. Again, this is something you can practice in the bathtub, you can practice it in the sink, and like I used, you can practice it just in a little bowl. I hope this is helpful. Please contact me if you have any questions. Thanks so much.
Mom?